Yeah, boy, Gersten there. Look upon the boy, style upon them. Look upon the boy. Boy, look war ready. Gersten ready for war. Boy, look there. Hold on, let me put some light upon the fashion them so you can see the style me I show the city. Bomberclad boy. I one gun that. Bomberclad boy have one old western gun. See the boy not play with nobody no more. Yes sir. SPYDA Gersten ready for war. Who want war with the SPYDA boy? Nobody want war. Nobody want war. Alright. So now the girl tell me to track down one boy named Shaka. I don't know who Shaka Khan? Who Shaka there? Me only know one Shaka, that's Shaka Khan. I don't care about no Shaka. Boy I think same electricity I go do something. But SPYDA Gersten dep on the keys. Watch that. Why look like Iron Man?
Hi, Herman. Seriously?
Blood clot, boy I mash up the whole town.
Give it up! You're never gonna catch me!
Can't catch you boy, you think say you're Sonic?
I don't wanna hurt you!
Where boy I go? Blood clot, boy I mash up the bridge.
Herman? Why do you care?
Actually, I don't. Just trying to make polite conversation.
Why come here?
Herman, at least talk to me so we can make it interesting.
Gosh, that boy I run away. That boy is scared from SPYDA Gersten. No time, we'll lose the boy.
Can't lose him.
Blood clot, Shaka gone. This time not gonna catch the boy.
Give it up!
Come
You're
here,
never
boy.
gonna catch me!
That's what you said last time. Come on, Herman. At least talk to me so we can make it interesting.
Alright, me catch the boy now. Where y'all go, boy?
Now let's talk.
Adult yourself. Blood clot.
Noted.
Boy, give me one thump.
Honestly, Herman, why are you robbing again?
Come here, boy.
You know the police are watching your every
Move
move.
yourself.
I mean, we all know you're kind of dumb, but I didn't think you were this dumb.
Come here, boy.
Move, move, move!
Blood clot. Boy, I try to shoot me now. Yeah, shoot, boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Where y'all go, boy? Just duck yourself down. Yeah, you're not shot nobody. Wait. Sit down, boy.
You have like zero personality, but your suit is awesome.
Nasty
Can we
self.
talk design details?
Yeah,
Good work,
boy.
Spider-Man. Did you learn anything about his motive?
Oh, what y'all do?
I tried.
Y'all
He's
sit
not
down and
very
eat
talkative.
coffee and eat donuts?
Plus, I think he hates me.
Not
You
even
have
I
that
help
effect
SPYDA
on a lot of
Gersten.
people.
But you love me, right, Yuri?
I tolerate
Lazy
you.
picnic them. Watch that SPYDA Gersten, they palm break. Nobody called me. Watch, we're back here again. Where they dry chicken center?
usually in his office now.
Everybody eat dry chicken again. Everybody I line up for the unseasoned chicken. Blood clot. Oh no, wicked, you know. You can't eat chicken like that.
No problem.
Alright.
But always on a leash and never in the kitchen area.
Let's see what you have.
We find one duppy mask.
Interesting. Where'd she find it?
I'm
And one,
really not sure.
one duppy tone.
What is it?
A replica of an antique Chinese opera mask.
A Chinese
Seen
duppy
one in
that?
years.
But no say the
The
Chinese
symbol
duppy
here
them.
roughly translates to demon.
Me tell you what me said, duppy. Demon duppy.
My father read me ghost stories with that mask and symbol in
Your
it when
father
I was young.
haunted? What kind of father you have?
Scared the hell out of me.
Your father a duppy too?
Peter, listen. That mask, it
What?
could be connected to
Haunted?
dangerous people.
Me already
Jane
beat
might want to
them
find a
down.
different story.
Do you think she's in
Me
trouble?
never say me never think say me I can fight duppy, but me take the duppy them down.
Why take the risk?
Hey,
The symbol inside the mask means demon.
Me tell you say I
It really
duppy
spooked
mask, you
Mr.
know.
Lee.
You never
Never
listen
seen
to
him
me.
like that. He even said you should drop the story.
fat chance.
Do you think Mr. Lee knows
Yeah,
more
you
than he's
want
letting
you
on?
want dope if it
No,
haunts
I
you?
think he just had a weird flashback.
You never see
or something.
Exorcist, you never
I know his
see
childhood was pretty
Conjuring.
traumatic.
It's a girl wicked.
That makes sense. Demons, huh? Catch
Yes,
name.
girl, you know listen.
Okay, gotta get writing. See you soon.
Boy, you better find
Well,
one
that
salt
went
and
about
draw
as well as
one
I coulda
circle.
hoped.
Watch there. Boy, your teeth on the
Herman!
money.
Long time no see.
Where my money there, boy?
Hey, I'm no lawyer, but I'm pretty sure that's a parole violation.
I'm not money there. Give me my money, you blood clot idiot. Blood clot boy. I give one concussion.
Guess we're stuck in here for a while. Want to play 20 questions?
And not hit me, boy.
How about we
Too
stop?
slow.
Okay, face punch it is.
Blood clot, the boy head blows off Scott. Boy face made out of
Your gauntlets are all
metal.
digital now, aren't they?
Have it your way. You wanna fight? Let's.
I go beat your bum but to Christ.
Man, can't wait to put you back behind bars so we can talk science. Remember our first fight? Me, so young and stupid.
Rude self.
You just stupid.
Blood clot.
Well, doesn't matter.
The boy thinks boy, you're airbender.
Standard
You're the last
measure for how much
avatar.
talking one
Find the
can
boy
do.
there.
And who determines the ideal ratio of
Blood
talking
clot, how the boy
versus
still
not
hit me.
talking? Also, how would you measure? Words per minute, syllables
Oh,
per
blood
second?
clot.
Or is it more about how
Boy,
many words
airbend
one
me
uses
to
for
death. Look there.
single thought? You talk
You
so
can't even
subjective.
dodge it.
If you ask me, some people don't talk enough. Think about who their mysterious
Blood
overlord
clot,
is.
boy, you murdered me.
Working for, that kind of thing.
Shut up!
Watch that. Come here, boy.
Your
You
way.
too rude.
Now I can do some real
Come
damage.
here, you blows on Scott. You freaking batty
Why
boy.
are you doing this, Herman?
Move, boy.
Don't kill me!
Rude self. You can't touch me, boy. In from here. Blood clot. Stop trying to shoot the air upon me, boy.
Nicely, maybe.
Think me I play Spider-Man, the boy are airbender now. What kind of team game this? You don't pay for this? Rude self. Yes, boy, me figure out your pattern now. What you gonna do? Blood clot, boy, make one tornado. Come here, boy. You airbender me a web bender. Boom! Rude self. Rude, ugly self, boy.
You come clean.
Like
I
one
can
fake
help you.
Iron Man. Blood clot, boy, I see hit.
Sorry, not gonna happen.
You can't have the money, boy. I have my money that. But it, come here. Bomb. Blood clot, the poor block is sitting there to get my teeth. Ooh, why? You not touch me. You're too slow, boy. Blood clot, the boy still hit me. Rude self. You done yet, boy? You done throw your temper tantrum? Stop making the tornado them. Come here, boy.
This one's gonna
Like
hurt.
one block to the head, boy. You idiot self. Iron Man fake, boy. You can't touch me. Box it right in your head. Look there.
You know,
Take
people
off
don't
the
use
fake
banks anymore.
gloves them.
You're lucky you found actual cash. If you really want to rob banks,
Watch it.
try day trading. It's all the rage.
Idiot, boy. Look at one pinata. Blood clot, the boy, you escape.
Oh, come
Watch
on,
there.
Herman.
Kind of web me I use. Me I use a great value web.
I can help you cut a deal.
If I talk, I'm dead! They made that very clear!
Blood clot, the boy, you gonna murder me. Stop trying to murder Spider Girl. Move, why? Come here, boy. You
Okay,
too
catch this one with your
rude.
face.
Idiot self. Stop being mash up the people place them.
Freaking me out, Herman. It's not like you to be afraid of people.
Not even sure these guys are people!
Move, boy.
Anything a little fast!
Wait, Did you say masks?
Watch this. Stop. You aim pan boy. You blind? You can't see me? Me right here, so you idiot boy. Take shot like that.
These mask guys. What do they want the money for?
Idiot boy. You let the dopey them run you? Don't cry, why hit me? Why? You let the dopey them run you? You're too weak boy. Come here. You're too weak and too unruly. Learn your lesson boy. Box your right in your head. Don't get up again.
We can protect you.
No way! You ain't see what I do!
You see Dopey give you a nightmare? Am I aunt you?
You son of a...
What? What y'all gonna do boy?
Give up.
Y'all gonna keep airbending?
Quick forward!
Blood clot boy. The two. Ooh, learn your lesson boy.
Now is your last chance. Seriously.
Come here boy. We are gonna bring the whole house down upon you.
Sorry, Herman.
Idiot boy.
You brought this on yourself. Literally.
Idiot. Try to fight SPYDA GURSTEN. You mad?